One of the things that I love about Simple Click Tracker is our groups function. And one of the reasons I love it is because it helps us with our organization of links. Now, there are so many, you can end up creating so many redirect links that it can get a little bit difficult sometimes to manage all of them. So if you'll notice here on my MyNAMS.ws, it says I have 11 pages, but I only go to 11 pages here. So if I click on this, it's going to show that we have a lot more. And in fact, there's 21. So it just keeps going, right? So we have, I think we have about 4,000 links in this system right now. So it really manages a ton of links for us. Now, I showed you earlier that you can sort by groups here. You can actually search by groups, so you can click on any of these groups that we have set up. Your groups will be empty. So what you want to do is set up groups and that you're going to use on a regular basis. And to do that, you come to groups, and you'll notice I have all of my groups here. I can edit a group. I can click on the number of links over here to go straight to that group. But you might want to add groups here. You just click add group. You have a blog, and you have 4 different elements on your blog that you really focus on. And we'll take ours as an example. We have 4 areas that we specialize in: list building, email marketing, affiliate marketing, and doing or productivity. So I could create here a new group that was list building. Probably have this already, and then I would click save. That's all there is to it. I could have one for each of 4 of those, and for all of my blog posts that fell into those categories, then I could actually organize all of my links to the blog post, or anything about the blog post, or any links in the blog post that fit that category. One of the reasons that that's really interesting is if you are an author or want to be an author someday, all you do is go to your groups. If you're a blogger, go to your groups. This is just a hypothetical way that you could use this. And you would go to, see, I have blog posts as well. You could go to, where is, did I have list building? I think what we have is lead magnets. So if I were writing about that topic and I wanted to create a book quickly, I could go to that, click that group. See, that goes over here to 43. So I could click this group, see all the links that I have in that group, and start clicking on those links to pull out all the content from those blog posts that were associated with that link. So grouping is really open. I mean, it's a blank slate. You can create the kind of groups that you want to create in your system. Now, I encourage you to think this through. We started this, you'll notice we're on version 6.9.8. This has been we've been using this tool for a long time and have made a ton of changes to this tool. And it continues to grow and continues to get better and more useful and all of that. But groups, when we started, we were pretty willy-nilly with the groups that we set up. So we can merge those groups now, but that is part of the group system. When you go into editing the groups, you can merge them as well. So, all right, so the other thing where you can come to groups is when you go to a new link, or even edit a link, and you edit by clicking the link here. You'll notice you can select a group here on the new link page, or you can add a new group here, and you just drop it down and add it quickly there, and just click save. So that's another way to get new groups into your system. Okay, so if I come back over here, I want to show you one more thing about the groups that's so important. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the dashboard again. If I come over here and I wanted to select this one, and 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 I could come in and I could assign those to any group that I wanted here. So if I click on those, they would automatically be assigned to any of these groups. Now, I'm not going to do that, but you would see I could actually select all of those. If I wanted to, let's put BC Stack in here. So I've got 3 links with BC Stack, right? If I wanted to select all of those, I could now add those to a group that I wanted to add here as for, let's say, affiliate links or products or whatever I wanted. I could add just those 3, all right? That's how groups are going to work and help you organize your links.